up, moo moos? Who's gonna be the brave one and let me pet him while I'm laying down? Is it gonna be you? Can I pet you? Oh, hello, moo moo. Hello. How you doing? It's okay. How about you, little blackie? You gonna let me pet you? Hell no. You ain't petting me. Look at you, muddy butt. Muddy butt. Hey, moo moo. Hey, moo moo. Hello. Let me get them flies off your head. Let me get them flies off your head. Can I? Can I get them flies off your head? Oi. I want your big old tongue. Let me pet you. Can I pet you? You just want to lick me? I want to pet you. Now I know you ain't gonna let me pet you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's okay. No? It's because you're a little boy. Little boys don't want to be petted. You're a little boy too, ain't you? Come here. Look at your little horns. Look at them little horns. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, you're putting your head down. Don't ram me. Oh shit. Been surrounded. Come here. Can I pet you? At least let me touch you. Okay. You're the sweetest one. You win the sweet award. Yes, you win the sweet award. I know, I'm a guy. You're used to ladies touching you. Come here, I want to pet the top of your head. Come here. Don't make me wrestle you. I'll wrestle you. I ain't got no treats. Okay. Bunch of muddy butts. Good God, you got some nasty butts. Ugh. Y'all nasty butts.